Good morning, everyone. It's Thursday, right around 6:45 in the morning, and the wind has started to pick up where I live. Off and on, the gusts come in pretty strong. I mean, not hurricane force yet, but this is the outskirts of Hurricane Lane. I don't know which way it's going. It looks like on the forecast it might be heading straight on us. It might turn. You can't tell. But I wanted to get this out to all of you because I'm already starting to get the electricity going off and on, and I'm afraid that it just might knock off and I won't be able to post anything. So if I can, I'll continue. If you don't hear from me, the electricity's out, internet's out, may not have it back on where I live, internet maybe for a month. So I'll keep you informed and be safe wherever you are. I just have to film this anthurium. Right there. Gardenias in the rain. Okay guys, be safe. Have a great day wherever you are. And be happy. See ya.